Hello guys, welcome to another video. I thought I should make this video because I made something and it has been a small weekend project but मुझे काफी मजा आया ये बनाने के लिए. तो I always thought about making a habit tracker but मैंने पहले काफी habit trackers use किए हैं मार्केट में जो already है apps वगैरह and I was never satisfied with how they work. कुछ में gamification था काफी, कुछ में सब कुछ था but it was not satisfactory. So I thought, why not make my own? And this is what I did. So on the screen, as you can see, I've made a habit tracker. It's called Mirror Habit. So Mirror Habit नाम इसलिए रखा है because you are not doing your habits alone. आप कर रहे हो एक ग्रुप के साथ में. So that there is some amount of group accountability. And like any other habit tracker, you can track anything. You can mirror other people's habits and it also has mirror view जिसमें आप multiple लोग सारे आप एक habit को join कर सकते हो and that way group accountability बढ़ जाती है, थोड़ा मजा ज़्यादा आता है, especially if you are doing and learning something together. You can, as a group member, you can propose a challenge and if majority of the group accepts that challenge, then it shows up at the top and आपको फिर वो challenge complete करना है. Alright, there is privacy and there is also group chat. So let me log in and I will show you how it looks like. Okay, so this is the daily debrief page. यहाँ पे आपको short में सारे आपके जो आज के tasks है या habits complete करने हैं वो यहाँ पे दिख जाएंगे. This is where you can see it. यहाँ पर नीचे आपके जो guilds है, जो groups है, उसको हम guilds बोलते हैं इसमें. It's just a part of gamification but it adds to the experience. तो यहाँ पे guilds है and this is your profile. I will change this. You can click here and you can see your rank. Rank is also a part of gamification and जैसे जैसे आप habits complete करते हो आपको experience points मिलते जाते हैं. So this is your current rank and you can see what rank you are and it's just one more thing I thought a lot of habit trackers already do, which is to add some kind of experience points and ranks system so that you at least streak maintain करने के लिए, rank maintain करने के लिए आप push करते जाते हो, आपके habits change करने के लिए कोशिश करते रहते हो. So as you can see, आज के मेरे habits है read 30 pages, workout 3 times a week. So I can just do this, add one workout and then other workout and it resets every week. So it keeps a track कि आपने week में कितने workouts किए हैं and you can also track a lot of other things. So हम चलो guild page पे जाते हैं अभी. This is the guild page and this is the active challenge that is going on right now, which is hike a mountain this month. So I've marked it as I've done it. You can see I did it on 9th of July. You can see other members उन्होंने कब किया है and you can also chat here so that you can decide if you want to complete the challenge together. You can do so. These are all the habits and this is the discover tab. Discover tab में किसी को new habit join करनी होती है, new habit बनानी होती है and add करनी होती है तो they can put it here. These are the habits that you have not joined. So in the group you don't have to join all the habits. जो आपने join नहीं किए वो discover tab में आएंगी. This is the bento grid view. This is the list view and आपके badges यहाँ पे है. I will add images to this so it will look better, but this is how it looks like, okay, right now. And guild में भी chat है तो you can always chat here. You can always add any message and you can send it. तो पूरे आपके guild के members को दिखेगा. This is the place where you propose a challenge. You can add a challenge and this is the habit creation या challenge creation form जो कि same ही है. Even if you are trying to create a habit or create a challenge, you can add any challenge name. You can add the description and the challenge type या habit type. Is it a yes and no? Like, did you hike a mountain or did you not? Or is it a counted time? So X times in a period. So let's say you had to run 5 times a week. So you can add it here. Weekly, how many times do you have to run? 5 times. And then it will count according to the week. Then we also have measured quantities. So this is also similar to counted but slightly different because this counts different units. So let's say I want to hike 5 kilometers. So I can add kilometers here, or you can add miles or whatever you want. Then we also have deadline challenge. So these are based on deadlines. So you just have to add a deadline date and the challenge will end on that date. This is very easy to make. It takes like 30 seconds to fill out the details. Then we have the profile section. You can add a banner image, you can add a profile image, you can change lots and lots of themes, because I love to create different themes and different stylings, because क्या होता है ना, when people are using your app or website, if you can make that experience, that UI look as close to what they want, they would like to stay there a little longer. Of course, functions are the most important thing, but uske बावजूद भी the way things look makes a big difference. So there are lots and lots of different themes, and over themes के accordingly बहुत कुछ change हो जाता है. So that's why it's the way it is. You can change the name, you can add your own bio, and this is showing the habits that you are following, your streak, things like that. This also shows your rank again. And I decided to add this because this is a very important feature, I think. This is the heat map of your whole year. So you can see I've done a few things. Now if you click it, you can see what habits I completed that day. And if they are tracked habits, like let's say this habit is read 30 pages a day. How many pages I read that day? It was 6 pages. Okay, so you can go back and you can see what you did, how much you did, things like that. And the heat map, as you can see, the gradient of the tiles keeps changing according to how many habits you completed that day. So here it shows on 11th, I only completed 2 habits out of 11 habits. So the gradient color will be very dark. It won't be bright. So you didn't do a good job that day. But if it's like 5 out of 11, it gets brighter and brighter. So that's how it is. And so we also have tiles. So these are the steps that you have taken, the things that you have done. Right now it doesn't look really good. I will change it to have images and more like a badge, so it's more visible and more appealing to look at. The badges, of course, I will change these too. And this also shows the guilds that you are currently joined in. So this will show up here. I can of course change it and make it look better. Then these are the recent activities, same as you have seen in the yearly heat map. This shows all the activities that you have done recently. So these are all the details here. It's really good, but needs some UI improvements. And here you can also see the titles, and you can see on which date you got the title and from which guild and from which habit did you complete to get this title. So I will make it more visually appealing later on. But right now it looks like this, and I'm very happy with the way it turned out. And I hope you guys use it, because it's live right now and it's free to use. So I will give a link down below which you can visit and you can use. And I've also created an app, and I'll add that link too, which is on GitHub, and you can download it from GitHub and you can install it and use it. Right now it's only for Android. And there might be a few improvements that I might have to do. So if you think there are things that I can add to improve this app, do let me know. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.